In the 1980s, payphones verified inserted coins by playing specific acoustic tones down the line. A nickel, dime, and quarter each had a unique pair of frequencies. Phreakers built a device called a red box using modified electronic organizers, greeting card sound clips, or acoustic tone generators. By playing a recorded 2,600 hertz tone, or the exact multi-frequency beeps into the payphone, they tricked the central office into thinking money was deposited. This allowed them to make free international long-distance calls and host underground chat lines. Because it used purely acoustic signals, the loophole was completely invisible to physical inspection.